What's going on, beautiful people? Here back at it again. I wanted to give you something different. This is a Spanish supermarket, and they carry meats and food. And I wanted to show you prices and see how their inflated prices are compared to everything else. So just stay tuned, man. Those who are new to the channel, please make sure you should hit that subscribe button, that like button, and those that are subscribed, please make sure you hit that notification bell so you can see the next video, the next thing that I give you guys tours of, the adventures. I do appreciate it. Do appreciate the support and love to those who are subscribed already and are viewing. Stay tuned. I'm about to show you guys. This is Talpa right here in LILBURN, Georgia. Just wanted to give you guys a quick tour of this place, show you the price, and that's it. Stay tuned. This is a Spanish supermarket. Just wanted to show you guys how their prices are so inflated here.
Se oye mucho sobre la carne como un término genérico de calidad, pero no es tan sencillo.
These bags are expensive. Boy.
Para muy buena carne de res. Para que la carne de res sea excelente, hay que ir más allá. Y la marca Certified Angus Beef lo hace. En la marca Certified Angus Beef empezamos con Angus y aplicamos 10 rigurosos estándares para velocidad. Tan exigentes que
They have all their seasonings over here to the right. Especially they have more Spanish seasonings here as well. This is a Spanish supermarket, so let's go down this aisle. I want to show you guys $8.19 for this bag of rice, which is 5 pounds only. Let's see what this 20-pound bag costs. This 20-pound bag of rice costs $17.19. I mean, dang. Jalapenos. It's funny how the jalapenos are cheap for that big old can. Canary beans, $13.49, people. But yeah, man, I wanted to give you guys this tour because, I did Asian, I did American owned, now I came to do Spanish owned. Over here, this is the butcher side. You can get your meats, which I will show you guys in a second. They have oil. I mean, look, $6.49 for that size, man. That's a lot, bro. $13.99 for this 1 gallon of oil. Masola, $13.09 for 3 quarts. Wow. It's crazy, people. These prices. are crazy. They have some things that are cheap and they have some things that are very inflated on price. The soup is 89 cents a cup. I think that the other supermarkets or stores are a lot cheaper. 16-ounce bag of macaroni pasta, 89 cents. Definitely their Coke products are expensive. This is sugar. Does not have a price. Oh, it does actually. Sugar for this bag right here is $3.99. Goya products. Yeah, but they do have some inflation on the cereal here. Cocoa Puffs, $6.79. Frosted Flakes, $5.39. They are high as balls. 12-pack, $6.79, people. Wow. 35-pack of water, $4.49. That is crazy. All right, here goes the interesting stuff. $4.19 for 2.5 dozen of eggs. Man, that is ridiculous. 5 dozen eggs, $10.09. Wow. Milk, $5.39 a gallon. Holy cow, man. Literally, holy cow. This is crazy. I mean, they have stuff, but it is inflated on the prices. It is ridiculous. Let's go to the meat section now, though. Pork bellies, $4.29 a pound. Pork legs, $1.99 a pound. Pork steak, $3.69 a pound. Spare ribs, $3.39 a pound. Pork backbone, $3.29 a pound. Oxtail, $11.19 a pound. But they do have meats. I would say that. If you're looking for meats and there's meat shortages, they do have it here. This is Talpa's here in LILBURN, Georgia. They actually have a Mexican restaurant in the back as well, where they could cook your food for you as well. They do have a bakery. Here goes your avocados, your produce. Avocados, those are $1.69 each. Tomatoes, 79 cents a pound. There's lemons. Actually, 59 cents each one, each green lemon. And then limes, 39 cents each. Go over here. There's pineapples, apples. Oh. Pineapples are $3.69 each. Green plantains, $1.09 a pound. It's cantaloupes, $2.59 each. The green peppers, yellow peppers, red peppers. Got your tomatoes over here. I mean your potatoes. Sorry about that, people. Still early for me. Got your corn. Got your carrots. 59 cents each corn. Not bad. If I'm not mistaken, I think Walmart has it higher than that. Got your bag vegetables. Your onion whitehead, the jumbos, $1.09 a pound. Your red onions, $1.89 a pound. The yellow onions, $1.09 a pound. So there you have it, people. Gave you talpas here in LILBURN, Georgia. You saw their prices. If you do see meat shortages, you could come to a Spanish supermarket and get your meats. They are inflated, I will say that. The prices are high. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, well, as you can see in the video. But I do appreciate the love and support. And if you're new to this channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, follow, and hit that like button. And those who are subscribed, please turn on that notification bell. I do appreciate it. I'll see you on the next one, people.